I'm sorry.
Get out my heli.
That's a bit uncalled for. I'm not even in yet. Okay.
Okay, this is like the most amount of people you've ever had on a group.
Okay, let's go.
Before.
Holy shit.
Not even wrong.
Someone's in the co-pilot seat. I don't think you're getting out.
Broken. How many people did we get on there?
Front hill is clear. Front hill is
Which one? Sorry.
Clear.
Which group?
Syria.
Syria. I think the biggest SSG we had was 25.
Yeah.
That was this one. I know the biggest was 40.
Damn.
It was like 15.
I mean, you did have a lot of groups, didn't you? Like.
Broken. Look how slow the heli landing is. Oh. God damn, that was smooth.
Look how slow the helicopter landing is.
Everyone get out.
Look how slow the helicopter landing is. You proceed to slam it into the
Okay, everyone on me, everyone on me. I'm the one with the little bonsai hat and the little cute uniform. Guys.
Broken, my camera is so fucked. It keeps on shaking.
Okay, once we go through this tree line, half of us about to die. Everyone ready? Disperse, just disperse.
Oh no, it's the hill. Oh, we captured the point.
Oh, we kept the hill.
Don't stick near each other. Have like, this is good distance, Shoot the
VC, shoot the VC. On the right, on the right.
I'm distracting the supplies. I'm distracting the supply chain.
Oh,
heli's down.
Go. Helicopter takes down.
I'm stuck. Broken. You ruined the game.
How?
I'm stuck in the heli, for god damn it.
Yeah, it crashed, so you're stuck into it until you try.
I didn't crash. Someone exploded me.
Boys,
that's me.
Someone check our surroundings. Check your sides. Someone check forward. I'm checking sides.
I killed one
they're
fucking
just
VC.
all up there on the point. I think they're friendly.
I just killed a VC.
Who's on the point?
Are you guys friendly? Yeah,
So,
friendlies are on point. Friendlies are on point. Let's push.
I'm still alive. Somehow.
I'm still alive.
Get out of there.
Zamir, you're in Tiger Forces now. DM me too, by the way.
I hit him once.
Yeah, just send me the link after this.
I have, you're in it, you idiot.
Oh my god.
Are those all friendlies? Albert,
Yeah,
how are you alive, man?
I'm also alive.
I'm alive, so shut the fuck up.
Whoa.
He's a medic, you don't understand. The medic normally dies first. Where's my favourite? Oh, Sherlock, let's go this way.
The medic's so good.
If you're, right, when I first in Tiger Forces, you're me.
He did not die. Why did he push up with an RPG?
Guys, I'm like 1 APC against 5 Viet Cong.
Wait, are you in that APC down there?
Yes.
Come through.
Broken, come to the flag. Broken, meet me at the flag.
Who's the rest of the shooting?
Everyone, keep
So
protecting
the
around the hill.
Fuck me.
That's friendly, mate. That's friendly. You're shooting.
Broken.
Yeah, that's
I
funny.
got 3 kills with this gun.
How did you?
Oh, you guys are shooting at me. I thought it was one enemy. Look at the leaderboard.
VC coming
For one. What is?
Alright. I think medic, take back medic, because if you die,
I know how to do
you
more.
don't have any medical supplies to deal with people that get sick.
Listen, you know what I'm gonna go fuck.
Oh my god! I keep on getting killed every 2 seconds.
My secret weapon.